Hello students, hope you are going very well through the topics I explained in my last videos. Today I explain you example number 3rd, 4th and 5th of exercise 8.1 Introduction to Trigonometry. Unit 8. Consider triangle ABC, ACB right angled at C. एक ट्राइंगल दिया हुआ है राइट एंगल एट सी पॉइंट पे राइट एंगल है in which AB is equal to 29 units and BC is equal to 21 units and ABC is equal to theta. Figure given है हमें, check from the book. Determine the values of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. Means BC and AB के अकॉर्डिंग हमें sin and cos की वैल्यूज़ फाइंड कर लेनी है एंड उसके बाद हमें ये आइडेंटिटीज़ एडजस्ट करनी है. Here the question is, this is the triangle ACB. AB is equal to 29 units and BC is equal to 28 units. AB is equal to 29 and BC is equal to 21 units. Here the value is now angle C is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we have to adjust value of AC. By Pythagoras theorem AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square, that is AB square 29 square is equal to BC square is 21 square plus AC square, and AC square we have 29 square minus 21 square, that is 841 minus 441, that is equal to 400. That means AC is equal to 20 units. So value of sin theta is equal to, we have adjusted the value according to Pandit Badri Prasad. हर बोले this is the value of sin, P upon H, B upon H is the value of cos and P upon B is the value of tan. तो हमें चाहिए sin और cos. sin theta is equal to P upon H, that is P की वैल्यू है perpendicular AC upon H is AB, that is 20 upon 29. Now we have to adjust here cos theta B upon H, that is B is here 21 BC upon H is here AB, that is 21 by 29. And first value we have to adjust cos square plus sin square theta, that is 20 by 29 whole square plus 21 by 29 whole square, that is 400 by 841, 441 by 841, that is 400 plus 441 by 841. And second term, that is value 841 by 841 is equal to 1. Second term is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square is the value 21 by 29 whole square minus 20 by 29 whole square, that is 441 by 841, 400 by 841, 440 minus 400, that is 41 by 841. This is the answer of this question. Now example number 4 is, in a right triangle ABC right angled at B. B पे right angle है, figure is not given to us, so we will prepare it. Right angled at B. If tan A is equal to 1, ABC. Example number 4, tan A is equal to 1. Tan A is equal to P upon B according to Pandit Badri Prasad Hararpole. This is P upon B. P is the value of AB upon BC is equal to 1. That means AB is equal to BC हो गया. Both of these sides are equal here. हमें फाइंड करना है वेरीफाई 2 sin a into cos a equal to 1, मतलब sin a and cos a multiplied by 2, it should be equal to 1. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड होनी चाहिए. नाउ बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम that means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We can adjust it. AC square is equal to AB is equal to BC है तो इसको एडजस्ट कर लो. BC square plus BC square. AC square is equal to double of BC square. तो AC की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? AC is equal to root of 2 BC. Now we have to adjust here sin A. Sin A is equal to P upon H. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले आइडेंटिटीज़ के अकॉर्डिंग P AB upon H AC. AB is the value. Now both of these are different, but it is in the form of AB and AC in form of BC is equal to BC upon AC is equal to root of 2 BC. BC cancelled, it is equal to 1 by root 2. Now cos A is equal to B upon H, base upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC, that is BC को BC रहने दो. AC is in the form of BC is root of 2 BC, BC and BC cancelled, so it will be 1 by root 2 also, and 2 sin A cos A. This is the left hand side, we have to prove it equal to 1. 2 1 by root 2 1 by root 2. Sin A भी 1 by root 2 है, cos A भी 1 by root 2 है. It will be 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1. तो left hand side equal to right hand side. It is verified now. जो हमें प्रूव करना था we can prove it. And last example of this exercise is in triangle OPQ. Fifth example में triangle is given to us. Right angled at P. P पे right angle है. As shown in figure. Figure check कर सकते हो बुक से. OP is equal to 7 है. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 है. And determine the value of sin theta and cos theta. We have to find sin theta and cos theta. Figure वहीं से adjust कर लो. OP is equal to 7 centimeter. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. So we can adjust here according to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem क्या formula है? Hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is here OQ square is equal to base square PQ square plus altitude square OP square. PO square या OP square. Now OQ in the form of PQ हो जाएगा आपके पास. According to it OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. तो OQ की जगह पे हमें ये वैल्यू एडजस्ट करनी है. इज इक्वल टू PQ स्क्वायर एज इट इज़ रहने दो प्लस OP की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है 7 का स्क्वायर. दैट इज़ इट्स फॉर्मूला इज A प्लस B होल स्क्वायर. A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर प्लस 2AB. PQ स्क्वायर प्लस 49. PQ स्क्वायर कैंसल बिकॉज बोथ आर इन on different sides left and right but with same sign. So it will be 2PQ is equal to 49 minus 1. This is 2PQ is equal to 48 and PQ is equal to 24. PQ की वैल्यू फाइंड हो गई. Now we have to find here OQ. OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ, that is 1 plus 24, that is 25. Is equal to OQ and OP गिवन ही है हमें. साइन थीटा साइन Q इज इक्वल टू, अब यहाँ पे देखो जो Q एंगल है वो ऊपर है तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट बेस हमें एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा जो एंगल गिवन है. क्योंकि हम जब बेस एडजस्ट करते हैं अगर ये एंगल गिवन होता है तो ये बेस होता है, बट अगर ये एंगल गिवन है तो हमें ये बेस लेना पड़ेगा, ये परपेंडिकुलर लेना पड़ेगा. इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. तो बेस यहाँ पे OP है तो इट विल बी PQ है. साइन Q इज इक्वल टू पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले के अकॉर्डिंग P अपॉन H P अपॉन एच, परपेंडिकुलर क्या है अब यहाँ पे ओ पी अपॉन एच तो सेम ही रहेगा हाइपोटेन्यूज। ओ पी इज़ द वैल्यू 7 बाई ओ क्यू हमने फाइंड किया है 25 एंड कोस क्यू जो एंगल है उसके अकॉर्डिंग बेस और परपेंडिकुलर एडजस्ट करना, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया ये cos q is equal to b upon h and value of b is here pq upon oq. pq is the value we have find it 24 by 25 and this is the answer of this question, and you can solve the exercise according to this question. Thank you.